But in that condition, it is not usable for us.
Exactly.
Because if the train is standing, then why would we use that? Because we are.
You just go inside. Yeah.
We can use.
Exactly.
We can get down and normal.
Yeah.
But one of my coworkers really needed to do business, so he went and used the chemical toilet. So the chemical toilet, it's I don't know how to describe it. It's a toilet seat, but then there's blue water, okay, and it's like
Chemicals.
yeah, chemicals in it, but they're really blue. And we were going along some rough track, and it had a dip, and the splash came up, and his ass was blue for a month. Kevin Lovell are gross because whenever you hit like a soft spot, they splash back up. It's terrible. It's terrible.
So that is a horrible
It's a horrible